My name is Dr Yolandi Breet from the Hypertension in Africa research team at the Noordwes-universiteit. My research focuses on arterial stiffness, which is a well-established marker of early vascular aging, or EVA. EVA reflects premature alterations in arterial structure and function, which mimics the effects of aging. Thus, a person can present with adverse arterial function which would not be expected for the chronological age. I investigate factors associated with arterial stiffness in different population and age groups. These factors include both modifiable as well as non-modifiable risk factors for cardiovascular disease. In terms of modifiable risk factors, we have shown that there is an adverse association between non-traditional blood lipids and arterial stiffness in young adults aged 20 to 30 years who were free of cardiovascular disease. In the same adult population, we showed that a decline in arterial elasticity seems to occur more rapidly between the ages of 20 to 30 years in certain ethnic groups. This suggests that non-modifiable factors might also be at play. More recently, we investigated the association of large artery stiffness and retinal microvascular markers in school children between the ages of 6 to 8 years. Retinal microvascular markers have been shown to predict the risk of stroke and hypertension. Within these school children, we showed that there is an association between large artery stiffness and arteriolar narrowing as well as venular widening. This research is important as arterial stiffness is significantly associated with cardiovascular risk and mortality. We have shown that in young populations and even in children, arterial stiffness may be a very useful tool to identify those who are at an increased risk of developing hypertension and cardiovascular disease earlier in their life course. This data can contribute to early intervention programs which can help combat the burden of cardiovascular disease, as it remains the leading cause of mortality globally.